I mean, they're a good team. They play right on top of you the whole night. There's no time and space out there. I mean, I'm sure, anyone out here or anyone on our team would tell you there wasn't much time and space for us, and they got to their game quicker than we did and imposed their will on us. But I thought the guys fought really hard. We just competed, and at the end of the day, it wasn't enough tonight. But I was proud of our group for the way we battled. I mean, some of the shot blocks tonight, some of the compete and fight that I saw from our guys was really impressive, and just to battle the way we did in the third period to get it within a goal, and I just got a lot of respect for the guys in this room.
I'm disappointed in how it went, but we weren't surprised. When you play a team like this, you have to execute and you have to compete under pressure. All over the ice defensively, and then when you get a chance, your first execution has to be quick and fast and aggressive with your. And I think too many times tonight we, held on to the puck. We're careless with our execution when we had the opportunities, especially in the first period, to make those plays.